Good morning, Texans. I'm Mr. Benavides, your campus principal. Welcome to TexanTV, Season 6.
Hey Texans, I'm Carla. Welcome back to TexanTV. And now here's our Friday night football game. And now here's our Friday night volleyball game. Class of 2019, visit TexansTalk.org and tap the Senior Quote button to submit your senior quotes. Read the rules carefully. Senior quotes are due September 15th, 2018. You had all summer, no extensions. JK Living is back and we'll have our first meeting on Thursday, September 6th in room 919. Don't know what JK Living is? Well, JK Living is an after-school program established by Matthew McConaughey in partnership with the Texas Rangers. We meet Mondays and Thursdays in room 919 and participate in many fun activities. We have yoga instructors, cooking classes, guest speakers, personal trainers, exercise regimens, and community service opportunities. Come join us. We have free shirts, snacks, and more. Join a club that will give you opportunities to experience something new. Hope to see you there. And now, here's our spotlight on Mr. Granda.
My name is David Granda and I teach mathematics algebra 2. I have been a teacher for 1 year and this is my 2nd year. What made me pursue my teaching career is after I received my math degree, I went overseas to teach abroad and I liked it, so I came back to become a teacher here in the US. My favorite teaching memory is, I don't want to say the last day of school, but so far it is. The impact I plan on making with these students is that they strive to become better people. There.
Attention senior class of 2019. The annual street painting event will be the morning of Saturday, September 22nd from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Sam Houston Drive. Squares on the street are $20 each. You must bring your own paint. Sam Houston High School is the only school in the district that is allowed to actually paint on the street. So, see Mr. Robertson in room 310 to purchase your square. And now here's our Q&A with Mark and City.
Hey guys, this is the Q&A with Mark, and the question for today is, what is your main goal for the school year? Hey, what's your name?
Michaela?
Hi, you want to answer a question for TexanTV?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your goal for this school year?
This school year I want to stop skipping and I want to start going to class and, well, same thing, but I want to stop being late and I want to get exempt for all my classes.
Good job. Hi, what's your name?
Tony Zamora.
Okay, what is your main goal for this year?
So my main goal is I'm currently a dancer, so I just want to keep being better and just overall graduate and just, yeah.
Thank you. Okay, what is your name?
Huda.
What is your main goal for this school year?
Where's Weimar?
What do you want to do for this school year?
I'll try this year to study more so I can get the highest credit.
What's your name?
Michael.
What is your main goal for this school year?
To pass.
That's good. Thank you. What's your name?
Cedric.
What is your main goal for this school year?
Pass all my classes.
That's good. Stay focused. Okay. What's your name?
Oh, Edward Rivera.
Okay. What is your main goal for this school year?
To accomplish a lot of things that I haven't accomplished, like audio and video too. I'll accomplish that and do better than last year.
That's good. Thank you.
Senior Picture Week is September 4th through 7th in the Little Theater during your English classes. Underclassmen 9th, 10th, 11th grade picture days are September 10th through 11th in the Little Theater during their English classes also. Faculty and staff that are new to our campus, please take your photos in the auditorium from September 4th through 11th. Why should you join the Science UIL team? Maybe you'd like to compete, learn, improve your college applications, get more involved with the school, practice for AP and IB exams, hang out with Mrs. Weber. If you are interested, scan the following QR code and fill out the form, or stop by room 1129 and talk to Mrs. Weber.
Big Sam! Big Sam! Big Sam! Big Sam! Tell me how you feel! Fired up! Tell me how you feel! Fired up! How you feel? 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 Fired up! Take, boom! Take, boom! Take, boom! You two guys to the replay! Whoa! Ball carrier. Return pickup, first down. Come on, get out! Let's go!
The Tex-annes will be hosting a car wash at AutoZone located on Park Row on Saturday, September 8th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Make sure to come out and support them. Today's quote of the day is, "Stay positive and happy. Work hard and don't give up hope. Be open to criticism and keep learning. Surround yourself with happy, warm, and genuine people. The best is yet to come, Texans." I'm Carla, and this has been TexanTV.
Hi, Mr. Galt. This is our AP Human Geography class.
Hi, this is Ms. Kopetsky in my IB math class.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hellickson, and these are my AP Statistics students.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gaona. I teach Avid 2 and 3, and this is my Avid Junior class.
And remember.
And remember.
And remember.
And remember, Texans.
In the Hall of San Houston, there are no strangers. Woo!